Hey Volvo.
Hi, welcome to the showroom. I'm the Volvo assistant and I can help you configure this car and even book a test drive. How can I help you today?
Change the color and open the doors for me.
Okay.
Start spinning.
Okay.
Let me see a different color.
Okay.
I like it. Help me book a test drive.
I'm excited to show you our new Volvo XC40. Let us find the nearest dealership. Where are you located?
I live in Boston.
I've found some dealerships near you. On what date would you like to do a test drive?
How about Wednesday?
I've placed a general reservation for you on next Wednesday, May 26th. I will send you a link so you can refine the reservation by time of day and confirm other information. What number may I text you a link to?
603-566-8497.
I heard 603-566-8497, is that right?
Yep.
I'm sending you a text now. We can't wait to show you what this can do on the road.
Show me a different color.